Hi friends, today's topic is percentage. Before entering into problems, first we should memorize some values. 100% can be written as 100 by 100, that is nothing but 1. Next, 75% can be written as 75 by 100, that is 3 by 4. Using decimal we can write it as 0.75. Similarly, other percentages can be written using both fraction and decimal form. Memorizing these values will help in solving the problems faster. What is 62% of 5,900? If 100% gives 5,900, then 62% gives what? Cross-multiplying both sides we get 5,900 into 62 on the whole divided by 100 gives 3,658. Therefore 62% of 5,900 is 3,658. What is 14.28% of 672? Using table we can write 14.28 by 100 as 1 by 7. Dividing 672 by 7 gives 96. Therefore 14.28% of 672 is 96. A person earns a monthly salary of rupees 95,000. He invests 20% of his monthly salary in buying shares. Find the annual amount he invests in buying shares. If 100% gives 95,000, then 20% gives what? On cross-multiplying both sides we get 95,000 into 20 on the whole divided by 100 we get 19,000. Here annual amount is asked, so multiplying 19,000 with 12 we get 2,28,000. Therefore the annual amount he invests in buying shares is rupees 2,28,000. In an examination, Dinesh got 840 marks out of 1200. Find his percentage in the examination. If 1200 gives 100%, then 840 gives what percent? On cross-multiplying both sides we get 100 into 840 on the whole divided by 1200 we get 70%. Therefore Dinesh got 70% in his examination. 0.07% is what percent of 0.7? If 0.7 gives 100%, then 0.07 gives what percent? By seeing itself we can say that it is 10%. Therefore 10% of 0.7 is 0.07. 58% of 6,320 plus 87% of 5,320 equals what percent of 12,760? 58% of 6,320 is 3,665.6. 87% of 5,320 is 4,628.4. Adding 3,665.6 and 4,628.4 we get 8,294. If 12,760 gives 100%, then 8,294 gives what percent? On cross-multiplying both sides we get 100 into 8,294 on the whole divided by 12,760 we get 65%. Therefore required percent is 65%. In an examination, A got 60% marks and B got 120 marks more than A. The maximum marks are 800. Find B's percentage. If 100% gives 800, then 60% gives 480. B equals A plus 120, that is 480 plus 120 gives 600. If 800 gives 100%, then 600 gives what? On cross-multiplying we get 100 into 600 by 800 gives 75%. Therefore B's percentage is 75%. The monthly salary of a man is rupees 15,000. He spends 15% on rent of the house, 20% on charity, 10% on AMI, 35% on food, 5% on travel, and rest he saves for the future. Find his savings. 100 minus 15 plus 20 plus 10 plus 35 plus 5 gives 15. If 100% gives 15,000, then 15% gives what? On cross-multiplying both sides we get 15,000 into 15 on the whole divided by 100 we get 2,250. Therefore his savings is rupees 2,250. The total number of students in a school was 6,000, 52% of the total students were boys. This year 50 girls left the school. Find the present ratio between the number of boys and the number of girls in the school. If 100% gives 6,000, then 52% gives what? On cross multiplying both sides we get 6,000 into 52, on the whole divided by 100, gives 3,120 boys. Girls equals 6,000 minus 3,120 gives 2,880. Boys is to girls equals 2,880 minus 50 is to 3,120. That is 283 is to 312. Therefore boys is to girls equals 283 is to 312. The total number of students in a college is 3,500. 25% of the total number of students in a college play chess. How many students do not play chess? If 100% gives 3,500, then 75% gives what? On cross multiplying both sides we get 3,500 into 75, on the whole divided by 100 gives 2,625. Therefore 2,625 students do not play chess.